What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create shapes in Photoshop. First, open Photoshop and click on File, then select New. Set the width and height to 1000 pixels and the resolution to 300 pixels per inch. This creates a high-resolution canvas for your custom shape. Now, let's create our shape. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar on the left. You can use any shape tool, including the custom shape tool, but for this tutorial, we'll use the rectangle tool. Draw your desired shape on the canvas. For clarity, it's helpful to create a white background layer. To do this, select the background layer, head over to its properties and fill it with white. Then, make sure your shape is filled with black color. Next, merge all the shape layers, leaving the white background layer as it is. To do this, select the shape layers, right-click and choose Merge Layers. Once your shape is created, right-click on the shape layer in the Layers panel and select Rasterize Layer. This step is crucial as it converts your shape into a pixel-based image, making it easier to create a path. Now, press Ctrl on your keyboard and click on the shape layer to make a selection. With the selection active, select any of the selection tools from the toolbar. Right-click on the selection and choose Make Work Path. Set the tolerance to 1 and press Enter. This creates a precise path around your shape. Now, select the pen tool from the toolbar. Right-click on the path and choose Define Custom Shape. A dialog box will appear asking you to name your shape. Give it a suitable name and press Enter. Your custom shape is now saved in Photoshop. To use it, select the Custom Shape tool from the toolbar. Find your shape in the Shapes menu and draw it on your canvas. By following these steps, you can easily create and save custom shapes in Photoshop. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.